How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best camera settings for the Fujifilm X100VI. Now, of course, we have different use cases or day-to-day use for our cameras, but generally you want to apply the following settings. Now, for the core setup, we have the aperture priority. Basically, you could just set your dials to A control via the lens ring. For the auto ISO, you want to set it to 125 between 6400, and the minimum shutter is going to be 1 by 500s to freeze motion. Now for the focus, you want to set this to AFS plus the single point static or the AFC plus zone moving. And for power, you want to set it to boost mode. This is really essential for performance. Now, let's go ahead and discuss the Fuji look if you want to go ahead and apply that onto your camera. Basically, for sim, we have the classic chrome or the Real Ace. The DR is going to be set to 400, which preserve our highlights, clarity at 0, and the grain with small and weak. Basically, it just adds texture onto our quality. Right after, let's talk about pro tips. Basically, we have anti-filters for our camera. It maps to the front lever for bright days during your shooting. This is like a sunglasses for your camera that helps us reduce exposure, especially on daytime. Now for EBIS, you want to keep this on continuous. And for format, you want to set it to RAW plus fine. Basically, we have the lossless compression or compressed. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.